Today, we're exploring a tiny home that redefines compact living, blending efficiency with elegance. Let's delve into this architectural gem and discover how thoughtful design can transform limited space into a spacious sanctuary. Let's step in. Walking through the front door. Every detail here is designed for convenience, from the clever storage solutions to modern fixtures, proving that small spaces can still offer big comfort. And that wraps up our tour of this incredible tiny home. What was your favorite feature? Let us know in the comments. If you love tiny home tours like this, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an episode of Dream Home Design Luxury Interiors. Until next time, happy tiny living.